Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can do this project. So for this project you need Arduino, LCD, DHT11, 10 kilo ohm potentiometer and breadboard. First you should put the components on breadboard like this. And first I want to connect the grounds. You need some wires, and so the first pin of LCD and the last pin of the LCD are should connect to ground, and the first pin of potentiometer should connect to ground, and this pin of sensor should connect to ground, and the pin number 5 of this LCD should connect to ground too. So this is the connections for ground, and I want to connect this wire to here, and this wire should connect to ground. So now I want to connect the connections for plus 5 volts. So pin number 2 and pin number 15 of LCD should connect to 5 volts, and the last pin of potentiometer should connect to 5 volts, and the middle pin of this sensor should connect to 5 volts too. And finally this wire should connect to 5. Pin number 3 of LCD should connect to middle pin of potentiometer. Okay, now pin number 4 of LCD should connect to pin 12 of Arduino. Okay, and pin number 6 of our LCD should connect to pin 11 of Arduino. Now pin 14 and 13, 12 and 11 of LCD should connect to pin 2 and 3, 4 and 5 of Arduino. Now you should connect the first pin of this sensor to pin 6. Yes, it's done, and now as you can see this is the circuit, and yes, this is the circuit, and I put the code for this project in comments. So now let me turn it on. And it doesn't work. Oh, I forgot to connect ground and 5 volts. So let me connect them. So now yes, as you can see, it works very well, and you can control the LCD using this potentiometer. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and like this video.